I'm someone who is truly passionate about the promise of cell therapy and regenerative medicine. I'm Rajiv Biswas. I'm the CEO and co founder of CytoHub. CytoHub, we are on a mission to transform how the world understands, treats, and ultimately heals the heart. Heart disease remains the number one cause of death worldwide. Every one of us knows someone affected by heart disease. Yet, for decades, the tools we have used to study and treat heart disease have barely changed. CytoHub was built to change this by re-engineering entire pipeline of cardiac medicine, from discovery to testing to therapy. Currently, we don't have the right tools to fix the human heart. Cardiac innovation is held back by three major limitations. Number one, we test hard drugs on animals, not humans. Animals simply don't replicate human heart physiology. That's why more than 90% of drugs that look promising in animals fail when tested in people. Number two, we cannot predict how an individual's heart will respond to a treatment. Every heart is different. But we don't yet have a digital or biological map of the heart that reflects that individually. And number three, we cannot manufacture heart cells at the scale, quality, and consistency needed to regenerate heart tissue. Most cell production is still done manually, which makes it inconsistent, extremely expensive, and difficult to scale. CytoHub solves all three limitations at once with a unified platform built specifically for the heart. CytoHub has designed a new ecosystem for cardiac medicine. CytoHub brings together three breakthrough technologies, each powerful on their own but truly transformational when combined. Number one, CardioVive, our human mini hearts for drug discovery and diagnostics. They are tiny, derived from induced pluripotent stem cell, lab grown human mini hearts, complete with beating chambers, electrical activities, structural complexity, and anatomical relevance, with nearly all the major cell types found in a real heart. They allow drug companies to test cardiac safety and effectiveness using human biology, not animals. And this directly replaces a $540 million to $770 million segment of animal testing market. It also aligns with the FDA's move away from animal testing. In short, CardioVive mini hearts are faster, more predictive, and vastly more ethical. Number two, HeartReady is an off-the-shelf immune-evasive heart cells for regenerative therapy. HeartReady is our therapeutic product candidate, human heart cells engineered to avoid immune rejection and produced at scale. The goal is simple and bold. Allow doctors to repair damaged heart muscle using ready-to-use universal heart cells, no donor required. These cells are designed to overcome the barriers that caused big pharmaceutical companies to abandon their earlier cardiac cell therapy programs. We solved two major failures they encountered: the immune system rejecting implanted cells and inability to manufacture consistent, high quality cells at scale. HeartReady is built to overcome both. This positions CytoHub at the center of emerging regenerative cardiac market, an opportunity valued in the billions. Number three, BioEngineAI, the AI engine that powers discovery, manufacturing, and personalized care. BioEngineAI is the connective tissue of everything we do. It takes in data from our mini hearts, our manufacturing processes, and our clinical research, and uses AI to learn how to design, produce, and optimize heart cells with precision. But it, its most exciting capability is this: digital heart twins, personalized AI driven heart models. Imagine a digital replica of a patient's heart built from data, continuously learning, and able to simulate how that patient would respond to different drugs or interventions or even cell therapies. This changes everything. It introduces simulation driven medicine to cardiology. It brings predictability to a field defined by variability. It unlocks personalized treatment planning without risk to the patients. CardioVive generates the biological data. BioEngineAI builds the computational model, and HeartReady delivers the therapeutic interventions. This is the future of cardiac medicine: biological and digital innovation working together. Why now? Right? The three global shifts make CytoHub perfectly timed. Regulators and even in NIH, they are moving away from animal testing, accelerating the demand for human relevant models. Cell therapy is finally reaching an inflection point, but cardiac regeneration requires the manufacturing and immune evasion breakthroughs that only we offer. AI is reshaping biology, but it requires structured, high quality human data, exactly what our mini hearts provide. CytoHub lives at the convergence of three forces. We are already working with leading biotech companies, including Johnson & Johnson, Ventyx Biosciences, generating revenue from CardioVive mini hearts, and advancing toward first-in-human readiness for HeartReady. We have 7 active patents, world-class scientific founders, and deep expertise in both AI and cell therapy manufacturing. Our team includes pioneers in mini heart science, AI automation, and cell therapy engineering. This world has never needed cardiac innovation more than it does today. At CytoHub, we are building the tools that make true transformation possible: biological, digital, and regenerative. Human hearts to discover new drugs, AI powered digital twins to predict treatment outcomes, universal heart cells to repair the failing heart. This is how we move from managing heart disease to actually healing the human heart. Thank you for your attention.